How to reset M&T banking password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your M&T Bank online banking password. So if you've forgotten your password or if you simply want to change it, this is video for you. Let's get started. First step, open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for M&T Bank Online. After you search for that, you can head over to this login to M&T online banking option. And it will take you to this page. Now head over to M&T online banking. Then it should take you to the login page finally. Now, right here, what you'll need to do is simply tap on this help with user ID or password. After you tap on that, you can choose forgot your password. And it will take you to the reset section. There you can see the website that says onlinebanking.mtb.com/login/passcode reset. Now here you can see the different steps. The first is entering out your user ID and your social security number. Type that in. Then on the next step, they will verify that it's you and that this is your account. Then you can finally change the password. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.